They drilled right through the pipe. It now drains directly into the bilge. Brilliant. Hey everybody, Captain Jan here with New Wire Marine. Today we're going to drop the keyboard and mouse and pick up a power washer. I'm going to go ahead and give this boat a good cleaning, getting it ready before we start tearing into it. Maybe we'll learn a little history of the boat. We may find a few surprises along the way. And yeah, let's get started. If you notice a couple of scenes ago, every time the power washer got close to the little feet here that hold the cooler in place, a lot of dirt was coming out. So I went ahead and unscrewed them, pulled them up, and yeah, look, they're kind of nasty under here. The boat was clean overall, but I think it was probably stored outside a long time because, as you can see, there's even moss growing underneath these things. All right, time to get them clean. Based on how much dirt was underneath those cooler feet, let's go ahead and get this seat up off the boat and see what kind of hidden gems we've got underneath it. Somebody's getting an eviction notice. washing out the live well, I noticed a lot of water was going down into the bilge, and I couldn't figure out why. Now, somebody had lodged a cap for a soda drink, and it fit right down in here. And I guess instead of trying to pull it out, they decided to drill a hole in it to let it drain. And I couldn't figure out why the live well was draining into the bilge. Well, I guess we know now. They drilled right through the pipe, the down pipe, because instead of going over the side, it now drains directly into the bilge. Brilliant.